Hello everyone, and I hope you are doing quite well today. This is yet another report from the Scholars Sports Desk, where we keep you up to date around the world of Scholars athletics and sports. My name is Carlos, and here's what will be on the lineup from November 10th to November 16th. This week is fairly short in terms of sports, but Varsity Boys Bowling will be having their 10th game this season in Fun Fest lanes against Hunter College High School. Now let's go ahead and push this information to the side and talk about middle school. There are two girls volleyball home games taking place this week on Tuesday and Wednesday, both at 10 a.m. And now make sure to keep up to date with the latest information regarding all things Scholars Sports by subscribing to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. Check out psal.org and our calendar under our landing page at scholarsnyc.com so you don't miss out on an opportunity to know when things are happening with Scholars Sports throughout the season. And that's it for the sports report for this week. I'm Carlos, and I'll see you next time.